to be considering how we're connected to our school community, our local community, and also our global community. With Compugen's assistance and the ability to set all of that up, what we're able to do is to break down some walls.
Prior to having the technology, it was always a field trip. You know, you're going somewhere and there's expenses associated with that. Now that we have the technology, those opportunities can be a lot more readily at our fingertips. I think the biggest win is the opportunity that we've been able to give our teachers and our students to connect and to collaborate with people beyond our buildings. Our world has changed immensely, and so the way that we need to educate our kids to prepare them for their futures needs to change as well. I think the possibilities are quite endless.
We wanted to really put forth how do we work with our staff and students in order to explore, collaborate, create, and reach for our dreams. So we want those opportunities to open up no matter where students are going to school. There is no barrier in using the technology. All of our students have an opportunity to participate. Anytime we do any type of video conferencing using the telepresence units, the students are engaged. It's push, play, and I'm on. It's been amazing.
It's exciting because you're in the school, but you're like in different places around the world.
Our vision really was to launch this as a digital learning center for our 21st century learners. It's as if you're there live. So that is just such a beautiful learning opportunity for our kids.
It sort of changes the atmosphere in the classroom. The kids feel a sense of community.
I like it the most because we can communicate with other people around the world.
There's a lot of research to show that kids nowadays have much more developed visual parts of their brain. To see our kids take that screen and do what they do, it just is wonderful. The kids have a chance to stand and shine, and they learn that their voice is important. Using the VCs gives them that power and shows it to them. It's about team teaching, and the kids see that we're working together, the kids see that they're working together.